I bought the cursed rusted Mack for just $500. Everyone said it was a mistake. Inside it was frozen in time. Decades of silence. It hasn't moved in years. But I will make it move again. The damage was worse than I thought. This wasn't just surface rust. These tires were completely dead. And the engine... But I wasn't giving up. Let's start cleaning. Layer by layer. The past washes away. And something beautiful starts to appear. Restoration takes patience. And a little bit of faith. One broken piece at a time. The heart needs new life. Outside, we start from the inside. These bolts haven't moved in years. But today they do. Rust doesn't scare me. It just needs effort. Some parts are beyond saving. And some deserve replacement. And some deserve replacement. This is where strength returns. Piece by piece. Now, the heart. These are completely dead. No wonder it wouldn't breathe. Fresh air. New blood for the engine. No shortcuts. A clear vision forward, so it can see again. Strong legs for the road. But the real test is starting it. I'm begging for. Come on, Wentz. No. Fuel flow might be blocked. Let it breathe properly. Let it breathe properly. One loose connection. Much better now. You can stop everything. Come on, Mac. Yes! After all these years, now we make it beautiful. Smooth surface, perfect finish. No dust, no mistakes. No dust, no mistakes. This is the foundation. The past disappears. Time for the real color. There it is. Life returning. This is magic. First to powerful. Perfection takes layers. Your name deserves honor. Now you can see the road. Perfect edges. Perfect edges. Unbelievable. We did this together. Even inside, it feels alive. Ready for the road. Ready for the road.